Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another problem on SQL, and today is day 3 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So let's start. So we have already solved these two easy level question, and we are now going with another easy level question, that is workers with their highest salaries, and this question got asked in Amazon and one more company. So let's see what was the other company. So it is DoorDash. Okay, so let's start with the question. So the question is, find the job titles of the employees with the highest salary. If multiple employees have same highest salary, include their job titles for all such employees. So what do we have to do? We have to find out the employee with their highest salary. We have to find out the employee who has highest salary, and then what is the job title of that employee. Okay, so this is what we have to do. And if two employees have same salary, so we have to print job titles of both the employees. Okay, so let's start. So we have two tables here given. First is worker and second is title. Let's quickly see what do we have in these two tables. So in the worker table, it is taking time. Yeah. So in the worker table, we have these columns: worker ID, first name, last name, salary of that worker, joining a date, and the department. Okay. And let's see quickly what do we have in the title table. So here we have worker reference ID. So I think this is the common column. In that table, we had worker ID. Now this is, here it is worker reference ID. So this is the common column on which we can join these two tables. Then we have worker title. So this is the title we have to print of the worker who has the highest salary. And this is affected from. Okay, so like the duration from that this title comes into the role. So that is what it is. So let's start. Let's quickly start. So first of all, what are we going to do? How we are going to approach this problem? So we are going to approach this problem. First, we have to find out what? First, we have to find out who is the employee and who has this highest salary. So let's quickly see what is the highest salary. So if I'm going to write down select max salary from worker. So I'm getting this result. So there is one employee where the salary is this much. Okay. And now how I'm going to get to that worker. So this is very simple. We are going to use subquery here. So I'm going to write down select star from worker where salary is equal to this value, right? So it is going to give me all the column values for this highest salary. So we have two people here, worker ID 4 and worker ID 4 and worker ID 5. And both of them have this highest salary. Okay. So now for these two people, we have to print what? We have to print their title, right? And title is present in the another table. So what are we going to do? We are going to quickly join these two tables. So to join these two tables, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this table an alias W. Then I'm going to write down join. Another table is title on T, and on column worker W dot worker ID, and the second is going to be T dot worker reference ID. I think this was the column name. Let me quickly check. Yeah, worker reference ID. And here also we have to mention that this is from W. This is from W. So that's it. So let's quickly check. Okay, so we are getting this. We have joined these two tables and we are getting the answer, but we do not want all the columns. We only want what? We only want worker title, because we have to print out the job titles of those employees. So instead of taking everything, I'm only going to take T dot worker title. Let's check. And these are the two titles that we are getting in our output. Let's check what's the expected output. So this is the expected output. If you want, you can change the column name as the same, which is best paid title. Okay, and it is going to give us the same result. Okay, so this is what we are getting. Now we have to submit the solution. So let's submit and check whether we are doing correctly or not. So yeah, our solution got accepted. So this is the query to solve this problem. It is very simple, basically. So we have to go step by step. First of all, what we need to do, we need to find the highest salary, and we find it out using this. Then we have to find what is the employee who is having this salary. So what we did, we write down that, okay, like give me the salary, give me all the information where salary is equal to this value. And we got out the worker's information. Then we had to get the title as well. So we joined both those tables, and we had all the columns, and out of all the columns, we just selected the title column, right? And this is how we approach this problem, and we are getting the right solution. So this is all about this video. I hope you like it and understand it as well. If you have more solution, you can put it in the comment. And if you have any question, you can put that too in the comment section as well. If you like this video, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.